Does your bathtub do this, where once you turn it on, it doesn't quite drain all the way? Now, usually when this happens, it's because of hair. You know, shower, hair. Sometimes that hair falls off of you and it gets stuck inside of the drain. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to try one of those Home Depot little snakes, the little tiny ones, the cheap ones you see on at the ends of the shelves, and we're going to see how good is it. We're going to be using this product today, seeing how user-friendly it is, how well does it get rid of that clog, and how fast can it actually get rid of that clog. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we can do. First things first, we have to get our Drain Weasel open. We'll go ahead and pull this bad boy apart. Who needs instructions when we can just go ahead and wing it? Okay, so we have this little spiky part. That, I guess, is what's going to catch all of the nastiness inside of that drain. This part is going to connect into the handle that we will twist to remove all that nastiness. Our very, very first step is we're going to take off this. Well, we already got a little bit of hair coming back to us, so that's fun. So we'll connect our device, hook this up here real quick. So in the yellow part, it just slides right on in like so. Maybe, perhaps. So let's see here. Ah, there we go. So what we do is we just take this little part right here, pinch them together, raise that yellow piece up till we hear the click, and now we're in business. So let's go ahead and see what we can find inside of this hole. Oh, we already got ourselves a lot of hair coming up. Let's go ahead and get in there with our hands and pull all that on out. Yummy. Now let's give it a twist. Let's see what we can get coming out of this pipe. Oh, that feels like a big one. We got something. Let's keep pulling. See how big this fish is. Oh yeah, there's all the black goop. Wonder how long that's been fermenting inside of there. All right, let's keep going. Let's see if we got any more to catch. Let's give it another good twist. Oh, nothing else on that side. Let's keep on going. Let's see if we can push a little bit further. Some more of a twist. Okay, nothing else is coming back to us. So I think we might have got it all. Or at least unblocked it enough to let whatever else is left in there work its way through. Let's go ahead and keep poking around. Give it a little spin action for you. Oh yeah, there we go. As you can see, it looks like we've removed basically a baseball's worth of hair out of this thing using the Drain Weasel. For how cheap it is, I think it's a pretty good deal compared to buying an actual snake. Now, what we need to do is we need to get this out of here, obviously clean up all this little mess, and then run some water and see if we actually clear everything out. Today we're just going to use a little bit of bleach, give it a good old spray. Just want to clean up where we were working. All right, well, I think we got all of it. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. Oh yeah, I think our Drain Weasel did a pretty good job. And the last little thing we're gonna have to do is put our stopper in, screw it in, and then we are done. Hopefully you found this video useful. The Drain Weasel was super easy to get, super easy to put together, and obviously did its job. That's the most important part, especially when you're getting something to dislodge a clog, that it actually does the job of dislodging clogs. This took all of a few minutes. Basically what you see is exactly how long it took me to do this. If you're a homeowner trying to do DIY stuff, this is a super easy project. Could save you a couple $100 from having to call a plumber. And you know, it only costs a couple bucks to buy the tool. Now, this is a single-use tool, so pretty much now that we're done, that tool is gone. But for how cheap they are, who cares? Just buy another one. Unless you want to have a snake because you keep getting clogs. This is a super easy project. Give it a try. I have videos posted every day on the world of well and septic. This one, we just happen to be cleaning out a drain full of hair. Till next time, guys.